Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing this lesson, Special Products, Square of a Binomial. In the previous episode, we already studied how to multiply binomial by another binomial. In here, we will still multiply binomial by another binomial, but this time, the binomials are the same. So if the binomials are the same, then we can write as an exponential expression. Like this, for example. We have here a plus b inside the parentheses and it's raised to the power of 2. Okay, this is equal to a plus b times a plus b. Same binomials. In our previous episode, we made use of distributive property in multiplying binomials. So this is a times a, that would be a squared. A times b is ab, so plus ab. B times a is ba, so plus ba, plus b times b is b squared, so plus b squared. AB, BA are like terms, so this is 2AB. So we have here a squared plus 2AB plus b squared. Okay, since our lesson is special products, square of a binomial, we are not going to use distributive property in multiplying the same binomials. Instead, we are going to use patterns. So in here, a times a would be a squared. B times b is b squared. And the next one would be a times b, that would be ab, times 2, then that would be 2ab. So plus 2ab. So this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is what we call special products square of a binomial. Okay, how about if the operation is subtraction? So we have here a minus b inside the parenthesis and it's raised to the power of 2, meaning a minus b times a minus b. So using the pattern, a times a would be a squared. What about negative b times negative b? Then that would be positive b squared. Next one would be a times negative b. Then that would be negative ab times 2. Then we have negative 2ab. So we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is special product square of a binomial. Okay, don't be confused in this expression. AB inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. This is not equal to a plus b inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. AB inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2 means this is a squared b squared. These are not equal or the same. Let's say, for example, a is 3, b is 2. So 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So this is 5 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 25. Okay, what about for a squared, b squared? If a is 3, then this is 9 because 3 squared is 9. And if b is 2, then 2 squared is 4. So this is 9 times 4 and this is equal to 36. So these are not the same or these are not equal. Okay, this time, let's give more examples by answering this concept check question. So we will expand the following expression. So these expressions are exponential expressions. So the first one here is x plus 1 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So using the pattern, x times x, that would be x squared. 1 times 1 then that would be 1. So plus 1. And then x times 1 is 1x or x times 2, then we have 2x. So plus 2x. So this is now x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, what about for number 2? A plus 2 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So a times a, then that would be a squared. 2 times 2, then that would be 4. So plus 4. What about a times 2? Then that would be 2a. Times 2, then we have 4a. So plus 4a. So a squared plus 4a plus 4. For number 3, x minus 3 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So x times x would be x squared. Next one would be negative 3 times negative 3. Then that would be positive 9. So that's plus 9. X times negative 3, then that's negative 3x. Times 2, then we have negative 6x. So here is minus 6x. So x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, for number 4, a minus 4 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So a times a is a squared. Negative 4 times negative 4. Then that is positive 16. So plus 16. And then a times negative 4 is negative 4a times 2. Then we have negative 8a. So a squared minus 8a plus 16. Okay, this time, let's answer these simple questions. The first one here is, if 3x minus 2 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2 is equal to ax squared minus 12x plus b, then find the value of a plus b. So we have to find out what is the value of a, what is the value of b. So we have this exponential expression here, 3x minus 2 inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So using the pattern, okay, here is 3x times 3x, then that would be equal to 9x squared. Okay, what about negative 2 times negative 2? So we have positive 4, so plus 4. And then 3x times negative 2, then that would be negative 6x. Times 2, then we have negative 12x. So minus 12x. So 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. According to this one, this is equal to ax squared minus 12x plus b. So what is the value of a here? So it means a is 9. And what about b? So it means b is 4. So 9 plus 4, then a plus b is equal to 13. Okay, how about this another problem or question? According to this, if x minus a inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2 is equal to x squared minus 10x plus b, then what's the value of b minus a? So we need to find out also these values of b and a. So we have this exponential expression here, x minus a inside the parenthesis raised to the power of 2. So x times x, then that would be x squared. Negative a times negative a is positive a squared. So plus a squared. And then x times negative a, that would be negative ax times 2. Then we have negative 2ax. So x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Okay, according to this is equal to x squared minus 10x plus b. Okay, now, let's find out the value of a and b. So if you're going to take a look at this one, it means this negative 10 is equal to negative 2 times a, or negative 2a. Negative 2a is equal to negative 10. So it means a is 5 because negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So now we found out that a is 5. Okay, to find the value of b, take note b here is equal to a squared. Since a is 5, so 5 squared, then that means b is 25. So b is 25. So b minus a, so we have 25 minus 5, then it means the answer is 20.